Next branch is known as bryology. It also belongs to plant kingdom, and the branch of biology in which we study about bryophytes is known as bryology. Bryophytes belong to basically three groups known as liverworts, Hepaticopsida, hornwort also known as Anthocerotopsida, and the third group is known as moth. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we are going to explore something super interesting, the branches of biology, as we all know, is the science of life, and it is not limited to just plant and animals. It is a huge world that covers everything from tiny bacteria to the entire environment. Ever wondered how bees make honey, or how doctors study diseases, or how farmers improve crops? Well, the answers lie in different branches of biology. In this presentation video, I have covered 25 different and very important branches of biology. So let's dive in and explore how each branch helps us to unlock the secrets of life around us. Moving towards the very first branch of biology that we will cover is known as entomology. Is defined as the study of insect. The branch of biology which covers the study of insect is known as entomology. Second branch is known as ornithology. Ornithology. Study of birds is known as ornithology. Study of birds इज नॉन एज ऑर्निथोलॉजी. इस ब्रांच में हम लोग बर्ड्स के वेरियस स्पीसीज को कवर करते हैं. थर्ड ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी कैन बी रेफर्ड एज सेरीकल्चर. सेरीकल्चर इज बेसिकली डिफाइंड एज ब्रीडिंग and rearing of silkworm for commercial purposes is known as sericulture. So sericulture is the third branch of biology that we will cover. Apiculture is basically defined as rearing and breeding of honeybees for commercial exploitation or for commercial purposes, and the branch can be referred as apiculture. Next branch is agroecology. Agroecology. Agroecology is defined as the study of grasses. It is the branch of biology in which we basically try to study various things about grasses, and the branch is known as agroecology. Next branch is phycology. In some books is also known as algology, and this branch, that is phycology, is defined as study of algae. Algae is the very first branch of the plant kingdom which comes under Thallophyta group, and there are various types of algae like green algae chlorophyceae, red algae rhodophyceae, and brown algae phaeophyceae. Hence the branch of biology which studies algae is known as phycology. Next branch is angiology. Study of blood vascular system, which include study of arteries and study of veins, is termed as angiology. So angiology is the branch of biology in which we study about blood vascular system including arteries and veins. Next branch is zoology. Anthology is defined as study of flower and flowering plants. In this branch we basically try to study various type of flower and various groups of flowering plant, and the branch is known as anthology. Next branch is culture. Arboriculture is basically defined as the science of cultivation of trees and shrubs. The branch in which we study cultivation of trees and shrubs is known as arboriculture. Next branch is known as bryology. It also belongs to plant kingdom, and the branch of biology in which we study about bryophytes is known as bryology. Bryophytes belong to basically three groups known as liverworts, Hepaticopsida, hornwort also known as Anthocerotopsida, and the third group is known as moth. Next branch that we cover is cardiology. Cardiology is basically defined as heart. Study of heart can be referred as cardiology. Moving on to the next branch, craniology is defined as branch of biology in which we study about skulls. Study of skulls therefore can be referred as craniology. Next branch is demography. Demography is defined as the branch of biology in which we study about population. Therefore, study of population in simple terms can be referred as demography. Next branch is dermatology. Dermatology is defined as study of skin and skin disorders. In this branch we study all about skin and various types of skin disorders caused by fungal or some other infections. So study of skin and skin disorder can be referred as dermatology. Next branch, endocrinology. Endocrinology is defined as study of endocrine glands. various hormones and their overall effect. And this branch is known as endocrinology. Moving on to the next. Enzymology. Enzymology is defined as study of enzymes and their functions. The branch in which we study about enzymes and their overall functions can be termed as enzymology. Next branch is epidemiology. Epidemiology is defined as study of distribution, causes and control of infectious disease referred as epidemio. Gynecology. Gynecology is basically defined as the branch of biology in which we study about female reproductive organ. So it is the branch concerned with study of female reproductive organ, and the branch is known as gynecology. Next, hematology. Hematology is defined as study of blood. In simple terms, study of bloods again can be referred as hematology. Moving Hepatology. Study of liver is referred as hepatology. Study of liver can be termed as hepatology. Moving on to herpetology. Herpetology is defined as study of reptiles and amphibians. In reptiles, examples are crocodile, alligator and various snakes. In case of amphibians, we have frogs. So, study of reptiles and study of amphibians is known as mycology. Mycology is the study of fungus. Study of fungus is known as neurology. Neurology is defined as study of neurons and nervous system. The branch of biology in which we study about neurons, the functional unit of nervous system, is known as oncology. Oncology is defined as study of cancer and tumor. The branch of biology in which we study about cancer and various types of tumors belongs to the branch known as oncology. And this is the ophiology. Ophiology is defined as the branch of biology in which we study about snakes. So this branch is basically concerned with study of. So this was with. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are also curious about biology, and yes, do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting science content. If you have any question or want me to cover any specific topic, comment down below. I read every comment. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and stay